How to log out Netflix on your iPhone. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can log out of Netflix on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. If you want to log out of Netflix on your iPhone, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Netflix application here. And once you launch the Netflix app, you will see this type of interface where you simply need to log into one of your accounts over here. Once you log into one of your accounts, you can currently see that I'm basically logged into my account. So what if I want to log out? To log out, just tap on my profile icon from bottom right of the screen and you will come to this page where you have to tap the three lines option from the top right hand side of the screen, and over here you will find an option known as sign out. So all you have to do is tap the sign out option and just make sure to tap on sign out here, and once you tap on sign out, you'll be successfully signed out of Netflix on your iPhone. This way you will be able to sign out of Netflix on iPhone. Hope this video is very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.